How's it going, everybody? Sean with Amped Up Marine Solutions, and today we're going to be talking about the Fusion ARX70 wireless remote. It's a great little remote to stick anywhere on the dash in a area that you want to control just the zone in that area and have volume control, transom of the boat. This thing is water resistant, so you could keep it in your pocket or on the transom close by. It does not float, just remember that. It is offered in black or white. Let's get into the box here. So it's a nice square packaging here. Open up the lid and your remote is right there at the top. You'll take the remote out. You've got a mounting base with 3M adhesive on the back of it, and then you have some documentation at the bottom. Nice big user manual for a remote. Again, a little closer look at our mounting base here. This has 3M adhesive on the back of it. The remote twists into the base, and then you would simply just peel the backing off, stick this anywhere you would like. The remote itself, it has next track, back track, volume up, volume down, play, pause, and a source selector button. And then once this is mounted, you can simply twist the remote and pull it off the dash, transom, or any mounted surface you have. This piece would be stuck to wherever it is, and your remote would come out of the holder and you can walk around the vessel with this. This remote does have a very good range on it, surprisingly. Long battery life as well too. We personally use this on our own vessel. We get tons of run time out of this. They hold up very well in the sun, rain, and salt water. Again, this is the Fusion ARX70 remote. You can find this on our site. The link will be below. It is offered in black or white. This is the black variant, and this is a great add-on at $55 to your Fusion sound system, and will give you a nice complete control anywhere on that vessel. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Sean with Amped Up Marine, and thanks for watching.